And guys, we're at the street side, and this is how they jerk chicken. Okay, guys. Okay. It's dark, and we have soup. We're on the street side, like this is street food, and I got some bread, some hardware bread. Look at it, guys. And I have some jerk chicken, Jamaican jerk chicken. All right, guys. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna do a taste test for you. I'm gonna do a mukbang. All right. And I have some soup. I have a ginger beer, Jamaican ginger beer right there, and then I have some soup. My husband, can you open this for me, please? And this soup, what they call this soup?
Conch and fish.
Conch and fish soup. Take your time. It's very hot. Steamer come out like hot. That burn me up. Take time. So there you have it, guys. Jamaican street food, conch and fish soup. All right, so I'm gonna drink this now on street life nighttime vlog. See, dark night, Portmore. I can't wait to reach home because I take a little piece and another little piece lead to another little piece, guys. I know I'm gonna eat this thing, and the soup is so good. Let me show you the soup. We're in the car. Oh my god, I don't want this to look at it, guys. Hold it for me. Tilt it. I'm gonna show you inside. Oh yes, look at that. Conch and fish soup. Yes. Alright, guys, I'm gonna taste some for you. It's so good. Hold it up to me, please. My husband holding it for me, guys. You see, we have lots of clothes in the back. We're coming from the wedding. I took the wig off. And jacket off and everything. One more spoon. Have lots of pepper. Alright, you can drink some in the meantime.
You will stand in charge.
Now I'm gonna eat some bread and chicken. At night time, what time is it now? It's 10:44 in the night here over Portmore. And look at this, guys. You're not seeing it good. You like not doing the justice. Look at the guy. Oh, finger licking good. Look at the bread. The bread soak up the ketchup and the gravy. So good. Look at the big leg. This is not my first. I'm gonna do more vlogging on this chicken. I'm gonna buy more. Look how juicy. So it's dark now, guys, so sorry about that. Want to show them yours? I'm gonna show you my husband's. Me know say me I go eat some of this. Me I go eat some of feed me now. You just wait and see. Let me just finish mine first. You see it, guys? I lick all of my finger them. Wee. I will buy some more for tomorrow breakfast. So good. I'm I'm gonna finish this leg, guys, and then I'm gonna go. We gotta head home now. Can you open my ginger beer for me? And the good Jamaican ginger beer. Sorry. This is good to belch the gas. Guys, this is Jamaican street life. And the road is just right there. So we are on the side of the road, just in a little plaza like this side. My husband said, just eat what's here, don't buy no more.
Your bread at home.
I will go home. I have to eat it when it's hot. Is it good? It's good, eh? There you go. Alright guys, we have one more piece left. I'm gonna eat it either on my way or when I reach home. Let me show you one piece we left. That's it now, guys. One piece for later.
Soft and nice.
It's really soft and nice, and it's soaked. All this is soaking it, guys. And you put some ketchup on it and a little bit of pepper. Bye for now. Out here in Jamaica, living the life. See you later, guys. Put God first.